Hi, my name is Connie Melzer, and I am presenting my lightning talk for my AGED class 680 with Dr. Aaron Baxter for Colorado State University. Growing the Future, a greenhouse for Red Hill Elementary. Imagine a place where students don't just learn about food, they grow it themselves, tackling food insecurity and sustainability head on. That's the vision for this greenhouse project at Red Hill Elementary. In a community like Gypsum, Colorado, where food insecurity and high costs impact families, we have a unique opportunity to inspire change. This project combines education, sustainability, and food security into one powerful initiative. Red Hill Elementary is located in Eagle County, where food insecurity is an issue for some and agriculture literacy is limited. Food costs remain among the highest in Colorado. By integrating a greenhouse into the school, we're addressing those challenges head on, giving students the tools to grow their own food and fostering an understandable, sustainable practice. Our solution is simple but impactful. Build a greenhouse on school grounds. This greenhouse will serve as an outdoor classroom, teaching students about sustainable food production, nutrition, and about how to take care of our environment. Partnering with CSU Extension Specialist, Red Hill and I will design a program tailored to the school's needs, ensuring long term success. Funding will be from grants from community partners. These are some of the benefits and impacts for our program. The anticipated benefits are both immediate and long term. First, the greenhouse will provide students with increased access to fresh, nutritious food. It will also teach the kids about how to care for our environment. This will foster healthy eating habits that can last a lifetime. This project creates that unique opportunity for research on efficient growing practices. It will empower students and teachers to become advocates for sustainability in their community. Research also shows that it will improve some behavior challenges with hands on interactive learning. We will measure success by tracking student participation in greenhouse activities, the amount of food grown and distributed, and engagement with their parents. This will help demonstrate the tangible impact of our project and guide future efforts. This is more than just a greenhouse. It's a chance to inspire the next generation and build a healthier, more sustainable future. With your support, we can turn this vision into reality. Your funding and partnership will bring fresh food, innovative education, and meaningful change to Red Hill Elementary and beyond. Thank you for believing in a brighter future, one sprout at a time.